I've lost 100 plus pounds on the Weight Watcher program. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. I got a lot of stuff to do. I am leaving tomorrow as a snowbird going to Florida. I have a job there and I'll be hanging out in the sun for a couple months, I think January and February. So I'm getting all the things done today. I have some shopping returns, and then I am going to bring you along with me. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, staying on plan for the January 3rd, and then tomorrow it is road trip day. So come on along and share the day with me. I'm going to actually take you along today, plus my 2 days of travel. I'm making some breakfast for my husband and I. I'm air frying some Trader Joe's hash brown patties. Those are 4 points a piece. I'm trying to get everything out of the freezer so we can, so we're going to be gone so long, I don't want to leave it here. But that's what we're going to have for breakfast. Cooking it in my Ninja air fryer. Frying up a couple of eggs to go with the hash browns. There's my breakfast today. I'm having 2 of my pancake sausage muffins for 2 points, 4 points for the hash brown patties, and 0 points for the eggs. So that is going to be a 6-point breakfast. And I also had an iced coffee for 1 point. Going to the mall to take some stuff back, getting ready to get all the things done before I leave for my trip. I've been so busy. I went to so many stores today, and I just got back and I'm having a banana for a snack, 0 points. I got my Cleveland Browns shirt on, but their season's over. For lunch, I air fried a Trader Joe hot dog, corn dog. It's turkey corn dog. It's 5 points. And I have 0 points worth of sugar-free ketchup and some cauliflower with 1 point's worth of Bolthouse ranch dressing. So that's going to be my lunch. 6 points for that. And a large glass of water that I flavored with some peach iced tea drops. I'm trying to do so much stuff at once. I'm packing and I gotta separate things and clean up, cook dinner, make a video. And I got almost all done. I'm making some garlic chicken. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. And I'm going to add some minced garlic. I'm going to saute the garlic a little bit. And I put some salt and pepper on the chicken pieces I cut up. I added the blend. And I'm going to shake them in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is an easy way to get chicken coated. You put the cornstarch in a big bag and just shake it around. And then I'm going to add it to the pan with the garlic. Cornstarch will give it a coating like breaded chicken, but it's not. And it just kind of thickens it up. And this is going to be 2 points per serving. This makes 4 servings. There's my dinner. 2 points for the chicken and 1 point for the rice. That's going to be 3-point dinner for tonight. Got to get rid of all that food in the freezer. That's why I'm cooking this up. And I got to finish packing. I am packing. And I'm packing for 2 months. I'm packing for a cruise. I have to pack work stuff. I have to pack winter. I have to pack summer. This is a very difficult job. I've been trying to I made a list. I'm trying to check it twice. Make sure I have everything I need. I got to have paperwork for the cruise, and I have to have my cruise clothes and different kinds of shoes, and it's crazy, but I'm getting it done. For a snack, I made a squash. I did an acorn squash in the oven, and I sprinkled some Swerve on it, some brown sugar replacement, and spray butter, and some cinnamon. And that is going to be after dinner snack, guess you want to call it. I have to get rid of this. I didn't want to take it down to Florida with me. So I'm trying to get all this stuff done, and I'm also watching the Browns game. It is Monday night. They're playing the Steelers. So that's what I've been doing most of the day. So I am driving around. It's day 2. My husband's still sleeping, and I am doing some last minute errands because he couldn't sleep last night. So it's after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we still haven't left yet. It's 4 o'clock. I'm packing up the cooler, hoping we're gonna leave soon. Looks like we're gonna drive all night. I took all my healthy food with me. I'm cleaning out the fridge. I'm boiling some hard-boiled eggs to take with me. And I have some fruit, packing some turkey sandwiches. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I got 3 sandwiches packed. Each sandwich is 4 points, and it's gonna be 2 points for the bread, 1 point for the turkey, and 1 point for the light Miracle Whip. I will probably just have 1 or maybe 1.5. But I'm taking those along instead of stopping at fast food. Though we might do that too. I haven't eaten anything yet today. It's 4 o'clock. I just had an iced coffee for 1 point. And I'm heating up some, I just got a new microwave. It was installed because our other one busted. So I'm heating up some of those sausage pancake muffins just to have something to eat right now. That is a little snack I'm having, 2 sausage muffins and some of my last of my sugar-free maple syrup, and another iced coffee so that's gonna be 4 points. And I'll call that breakfast. Well, we're finally leaving. It's 6:45 at night. We have an 17, almost 18-hour drive ahead of us, so we should get there about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm packed to the brim, and I'm driving first. Talk to you later. Having an apple. Snack time in the car. Hello. It's midnight. And we had stopped at Arby's a couple hours ago, and I had a half of a chicken wrap, which when I checked it, it's 18 points, but half of it, only at half, it was only 9. So that is what I had, 9 points for lunch. But that, I didn't get to take a picture of it. But lunch was around 9 o'clock at night. So it's midnight now, and I'm going to have a turkey sandwich that I made. I showed packing, and some veggie straws. So I think eating on road trips is fun. It's like, that's the fun about a road trip, is eating snacks. But I didn't bring any because, I mean, I usually like to bring chocolate or cookies, but I didn't bring any because I know I have to eliminate those foods. But I did bring my vision board on my trip, so I will remind myself to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. 22, I'm gonna get it this year. We used to drive through this tunnel when my kids were little, and my daughter had a fairy wand, and she was the fairy tunnel going into Virginia. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Stopped at Dunkin' Donuts having a sausage, egg, and turkey wrap. I'm not sure the points, but I'll put it on the screen. We're almost in Georgia. It's noon on Wednesday. Chick-fil-A, 12 points for the sandwich. Something happened to the audio in this clip, but I did stop at Chick-fil-A and it's actually 13 points. Sometimes I'll eat only half of the bun. I'll kind of eat it open-faced and then I'll take off 4 points for the bun. So this time I ate the whole bun and the sandwich and it was good, but it was 13 points. Finally made it here. I'm in South Florida, around Fort Lauderdale, and I will be here for the next 2 months. All my videos will be coming from this area. Little nap after we got back, and I'm heating up some Trader Joe's chicken stir fry, which is 2 points per serving. And then some of the vegetable fried rice, which is 6 points per cup. So that is going to be my dinner. And that's going to probably wrap up this video. 3 days of eating and eating on the road is my meal for tonight. Fast, furious. Just getting here, we could have chosen to go out to eat, but we decided to eat some healthier food instead of going out and spending the money and spending all the points, because there's a place nearby that's called Flanagan's and they have the best ribs. But barbecued ribs, that would probably be like a 40-point meal. So I went with the vegetable chicken and rice dish, so that was a good choice for me. So pardon the glasses, my eyes were kind of worn out from being up all night, and I usually wear contacts. So that's going to wrap up this video. If you like this kind of video, 3 days of eating and traveling food, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.